Hello and welcome to the little mansion. In today's video, I'll be showing you how wasps are eating our home. Okay, when I say eaten, I mean nibbled around the edges. So for the longest time, I've been looking at these little lines on the side of the house, wondering where on earth they come from. Why do little bits keep disappearing? As if something's been scraping away at the wood. And then the other day, I found the culprit. Wasps are flying in and meticulously peeling back small layers of wood from the cladding. If you look carefully, you can see it slowly curling the wood as it makes its way down. Before flying off with its cargo. So what are they using the wood for? Well, let me show you. So over here, we have one of the bags that you get like sand and stuff in from building merchants. And inside there is a wasp's nest. So this little ball here, it looks just like a ball of cement or something. It is actually a wasp nest. And it's made from a kind of paper-like substance that the wasps produce to form the outer walls and to lay their eggs in. I actually quite like wasps. I know they get a bad press, and yes, you don't want them around your picnic eating your scones, but they do a lot of good in the garden, especially if you grow vegetables. They are quite partial to the cabbage white caterpillar, so you sometimes see them coming in one after the other and just lifting the caterpillars off and taking them away for a good meal. And it does mean that you have more cabbages for your dinner, which can't be a bad thing. Okay, well that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Before I go, if you haven't subscribed yet, click below and check out these other videos to the side.